are on the island of Berlengas, which is off the coast of Peniche. The cool thing or unique thing about this island is there's a jail here that was used for political figures, I think is mainly what it was for. But we had to hike all the way down from the top of that down these stairs. So we're at the jail now, so we'll show you a little bit about that. But the water's beautiful, so we may do some swimming here too. And there's like a couple restaurants as well, but it's really just like now a beach. I mean, the jail's not even in use anymore or anything like that. It's about a 40-minute ferry ride from Peniche to Berlengas. So we'll
it's rough. It's a rough boat ride.
Yeah, it is a rough boat ride.
If you're seasick, prepare.
Yeah, and the hike isn't really all that bad. I mean, I did it in flip-flops, but sneakers might be a good idea. So we'll show you a little bit around the island, back, and then we can try to get some of what the ferry ride is like.
I don't know. It's at least it's like probably 200 steps. It's at least 200, and they're very big steps from the 1600s. There's no code, so
Do with that what you will.
Yeah. Good luck.
You have to dig the staircase all the way down and back up. There's also, you can do like cave swimming, and there's actually a lot of snorkeling down there as well. So when you buy your tickets, I totally recommend buying the tickets in advance. And when you buy your tickets in advance, you can do like an excursion. We're here with my family, so we didn't do an excursion this time, but we're definitely going to jump off the bridge and go swimming. But yeah, there are people down there that are snorkeling, and I mean, you can see the bottom of the water from where we are. So definitely a good place to do it. The jail's even in its own section off of the actual island itself, which I think is kind of funny too. Like it's even more detached.
Alone?